Part 2. In this part, you will hear 3 conversations. The conversations will not be repeated. There are 4 questions for each conversation. For each question, choose the correct answer A, B, C, or D. Questions 9 to 12 refer to the following conversation. Listen to a conversation between a professor and a student.
Hello, Professor Denton. Are you free for a moment? Could I have a word with you?
Come in, Michael. Of course I have some time. These are my office hours, and this is the right time for you to come and ask your questions. Now, how can I help you?
Well, I have a quick question for you about the homework assignment for tomorrow. I thought the assignment was to answer the first 3 questions at the top of page 67 in the text. But when I looked, there weren't any questions there. I'm confused.
The assignment was to answer the first 3 questions at the top of page 76, not 67.
Oh, now I understand. I'm glad I came in to check. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you tomorrow. Question 13 to 16 refer to the following conversation. Listen to a conversation on a university campus.
You seem to know the way around campus. Have you been here long?
I'm a senior literature major. I'll be graduating next June.
Your major is literature. Mine is too. But I'm just beginning my work as my major. I just transferred to this university from a junior college. Perhaps you could tell me about the courses you've got to take for a literature major.
Well, for a literature major, you need to take 8 courses, 3 required courses, and 5 electives. First, you have to take Survey of World Literature Parts 1 and 2. This is really 2 courses, and it'll take 2 semesters, and it's required for all literature majors. The other course required for all literature majors is Introduction to Literary Analysis.
You mean, if I want to specialize in American literature, I still must take 2 semesters of world literature?
Yes, because the 2 semesters are required for all literature majors.
But I only want to study American literature.
At least you can take all of your 5 elective courses in the area that you want.
That's what I'll do then.
Questions 17 to 20 refer to the following conversation. Listen to a conversation between 2 friends. Wasn't that a fascinating lecture on dolphins? I didn't know that dolphins traveled in such large groups or were able to communicate with other members of their group with those whistle-like sounds.
And they also use clicks as a sort of sonar.
I really couldn't understand that part of the lecture. You could?
Yes, the dolphins use clicks to identify objects in the water. They can even identify tiny objects more than 100 meters away using these clicks. Scientists believe that a dolphin may even have a sonar-like image in its brain of a distant object so that it can identify the object long before the dolphin can actually see the object.
So the dolphins use these clicks mostly to identify objects in the water?
I think so. And they have considerably more ability to do this than humans do.
It is hard to believe that, in addition to these sonar clicks, dolphins are actually learning some human language.
Yes, I believe that the lecturer said that some dolphins had already learned around 50 human commands, and that those dolphins were able to understand not only individual words, but words clustered together in sentences.
Dolphins must certainly be amazing animals to do all of that.
I'm sure they are, and we're only just beginning to find out how intelligent they are.